Hello coders, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to provide you detailed solution of this question. So let me tell you what we are going to use in this solution. So the very first thing is we are going to use if else block. Again we are going to use if elif else block, and also we are going to use for block, and there is another method for try and catch, so we can also use try and catch. So I would also show you all guys try and catch solution. So there are few cases in this question. The first one is there may be a case that target value is not there in this list, okay, or you can, for simplicity, you can just imagine target value is there, so we just need to return that index. If target value is not there in nums, then in that case we have to find our probable position where that target value should be inserted. So for that may be the case that target value, for as in this example, target value is greater than the last element, so we just return the length of this array. There may also be the case that target value is smaller than first element, so we would just return 0. There may be a case that nums is empty and we have a target value, so we will have also insert that to our nums, and in that case we are also going to return 0. Or there may be a case like this that we have to insert target somewhere in the mid, so we would travel whole array. Okay, so let's come to the solution and solve this question. So if target is in nums, then we just need to return the index of the target. Okay, if it's not the case, then we would check whether target is less than nums 0 or first of all we need to check the length. If name of is equal to 0, or then we need to return 0 as output. There may be a case that target value is greater than the last element of the array, so we just need to return the length of array. Okay, there may also and for other cases we need to travel whole array. Okay, so you travel from 1 over here, as we had solved our we had already checked for 0 position. So if target is greater than not greater than, less than, equal to nums I, we just need to return I. Okay, let's check whether all the things are correct or not. Okay, everything looks fine. Let's run. Let's wait. Yeah, it has been accepted over here. Let's check for other cases. Okay, it has been passed. Let's try and accept block. So we just need to make change over here. Okay, instead of if and else, just going to use try and accept. Okay, I hope they should give a better time complexity than, or yeah, it has a better time complexity than the previous one. Okay, Thank you guys, thank you for your time. If there is any doubt, let me know in your comment section, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more solutions like this. Thank you.